I'm considering upgrading my Tonor TC30 USB condenser microphone to a Shure MV7 Plus with USB-C connection. These two mics have very different prices. The Tonor TC30 is about $30 and the Shure MV7 Plus podcast kit is $319. Here are both mics, but let's start with the Tonor TC30 USB condenser microphone. I've had it for about 2 years and still have the box. It came nicely packed and has a 2 years warranty. The legs are metal and they are flexible. The included pop screen slides on top of the mic. The mic is super light, but the quality is good. I have a very crowded desk and it has fallen off a couple of times without breaking. This mic is easy to set up and use. It connects to the computer with the included USB-C cable. Let's move to the Shure MV7 Plus. It has both USB-C and XLR output, plus a headphone jack. The podcast kit includes a USB-C cable and stand. When it arrived, it was well packed. Compared to the Tonor, the Shure is very sturdy. The stand is very heavy, and if it falls from my desk, it might damage my wooden floor. The stand is tall, and while I'm using it, I have to keep my back straight. There's a removable windsock on top and a very long USB-C cord. There is a Shure software you can download, Motif Mix, but for some reason the application does not run on my Windows 11 computer. When using USB, touching the light mutes the mic. You can change the light color using the app. Let's compare sounds for both mics. Mic A. California coast is beautiful. We have ocean, beaches and palm trees. Puppies play in the sand at sunset. Mic B. California coast is beautiful. We have ocean, beaches and palm trees. Puppies play in the sand at sunset. Which one do you think is better, A or B? Let me know in the comment below. Mic A is the Tonor and mic B is the Shure. Now I'm using the Shure. The sound is flat without modifications. It is quieter and softer than the Tonor. It handles sibilance, S sounds better. I like the Shure better than the Tonor, but I don't think it is worth upgrading for $300, maybe when it is on sale. Now let's do one more test using the Tonor with the highs rolled off. Mic A. California coast is beautiful. We have ocean, beaches and palm trees. Puppies play in the sand at sunset. This is the Tonor. I adjusted equalizer to roll off the high ends and after normalization on -14 loops. I think it sounds closer to the Shure now. Back to the Tonor mic, Chris wants to do some plosive testing.
On Tonor, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Puppies pinched Peter Piper's pecker in the pants. On Shure, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Puppies pinched Peter Piper's pecker in the pants. This is the Shure. It seems it's a little better at blocking plosives than the Tonor, but it also records at a much lower level and the sound has to be boosted, whereas the Tonor is very bright and clear and more sensitive.
What do you think? Is it worth spending extra to upgrade my mic? Thanks for watching and please don't forget like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now. And of course, for unforgettable travel adventure, watch my upcoming videos.